Hi, this is a DIY affiliate, and for those of you who do not know me, I search the internet and find different programs and apps that you can use for free. And today I am presenting a 5-minute turnaround time for you to create content for your YouTube channel, which will help you with your 1,000 subscriptions and your 4,000 watch time hours. So let's get started. First place you go to is YouTube. Find what you are looking for. 3 arrows at the right hand corner. Make sure you are in Creative Commons. Click into a video share button to the program Share and Download. Will appear here. Click Show Links. Download. I usually download at 360p. And usually there is an ad that comes up. It's the price of using free programs. Find your video in your file manager, in videos, share and download. Click on your video. Share to YouTube. Put in a title. Here are the programs that I used. Share and download. Oops. A thumbnail maker. YT Studio. And here is the finished product. YT Studio. My video, a new title. A new description and tags. And a new thumbnail. Content under 5 minutes that you can make. And if you do this 5 times, you will then have your playlist ready, and you will then have your playlist ready for you to be able to use as content for your 1,000 subscriptions and your 4,000 watch time hours. You have to remember that the watch time hours are necessary. And in order to get your watch time hours, you are going to have to create playlists. So the best way to do it is on your phone to start, and then go onto your computer to finish. privacy. Share back to. It is now uploading to YouTube. While it is processing, go into your thumbnail maker. Create thumbnail. Another thing to note with Creative Commons is you will notice that it will say Creative Commons, reuse allowed. So make sure you give credit to the creator, and also if there's any other information, make a copy of it, keep it in your files for proof in case somebody has a copyright claim against the video. I will tell you all the free ways I can help you to build strategically online by connecting the dots. I have created a system called the DIY Way, which means I teach you how to do it yourself to save you time and money. This is what was known as a sub-for-sub program. I have turned it into a sub-for-sub DIY program for channels that are needing to get their 1,000 subscriptions and 4,000 watch time hours. The YouTube partnership is only the beginning of a long journey to have an up-to-date and relevant channel. So what I do is I take my comments and I check the channel out, I find a video that I like, and I also subscribe to the channel to help you to grow. And then I feature your channel on my DIY channel and also put it in a playlist. And there is no cost to this. This is absolutely free. And if you would like to participate in this program, which is absolutely free to join, all you have to do is leave me a comment and I will add your channel to the sub-for-sub DIY program. Remember, sharing knowledge is free, and we can all share our knowledge and our time to build a community of like-minded people willing and able to help each other grow online.